Okay, fam, so here it is. This is this space all cleaned and in my mind refreshed. And I'll explain why I say that shortly, but I want to give you all a pan around of the space. I did a Christmas home tour, and one of the most asked questions was about this particular space, about the bedding and everything. So I will give you all just a pan around of it, and then I will go into the details of the progress and the process of my master bedroom space. So let's start with the obvious, the bedding or the bed. The bed actually came from Ashley Home Store, and my love and I picked it up when they were having, I want maybe it was this time last year when we got it, so it may have been a New Year's sale of some sort, but we picked this bed up, you guys, for an unbelievable price of $198, and it is a king size bed, and they came and delivered and set up for that pricing, so we were thrilled to get that particular deal. Now, my initial thought was to add some bling into all of the little tucked up buttons, but the hubby, he X'd that out. And so in design, if you're married, you have to compromise. And so he did not want that. Although he has picked out another bed that has the bling in it, which I'm quite surprised, but we'll see how that goes. That he is kind of eyeballing, but I love it. It's in the beautiful like a neutral linen color, and I knew they would go perfectly with the champagne bedding that I had already picked out. Now, moving here, I had scoped out this particular bedding, but of course I was not going to pay full price, so I waited out the sale and I got it with an additional coupon as well. This bedding is from the J Queen collection. For those that have asked, it is a king size set, and the bedding comes with your comforter, your bed skirt, and you will get two of the king size pillow shams that are in the far back. Now, the additional pillows, the €3, they were purchased separately, but they are from the same collection. Everything else are separate from a separate designer. But those pieces all came from Bed Bath & Beyond, and they marked it down as a $379 set, if I'm not mistaken, $479 set, but they marked it down to $299, and then I was able to use a 20% off coupon with that. So that is how I saved on my bedding, but I absolutely love it. I have several J Queen collections, so I know that this bedding is going to last quite a long time. And so I was very, very pleased to find this particular set. I wanted something neutral, but with a luxurious pattern, and I love the damask tone on tone, the monochromatic look that it gives me. It's like a velvet, and you can see that sateen type of fabric. I love that combination together. It's very luxurious, and I love that. So it allowed me to play up any color that I wanted with it. I could keep it all neutral and do a taupe or champagne sheets, which sometimes I do, but oftentimes I'll switch up and I'll do an aqua sheet, or I'll do a deeper teal sheet. A white sheet is always classic, but this is just what I like to do for this time of year, because I purchased these beautiful pillows, and you guys saw me haul those. I purchased those from Ross Home Store, and I thought it would be the perfect little pop of blue in this space because I already had the pillows, the sheets, and so the throw was also from Ross Home Store. So yeah, you guys have seen a lot of these items in a haul. I hauled the tray from Ross Home Stores. The orb there, I'm looking for some beautiful faux but very realistic flowers to just kind of put in there, but for right now I'm loving that. And the candle, of course, is from Bath and Body Works. It's cinnamon spice vanilla. To be honest with you, I don't burn it. I like the colors because it matches my decor. So we're gonna move over now. I guess we can pan around here. I guess we start here. This picture is from Kirkland's, and it kind of was the jump off for the actual decor, for the color scheme. And so I absolutely love, my thought was to get stones that matched those stones to put in the bedding, but the hubby had other plans, so it's okay. I love it anyways. And so I picked this up from Kirkland's. I got it on sale as well. And if you don't know, Kirkland's has a spin to win app. And so even if the item is on sale, you can use the spin to win app and get an additional discount. So this was, I believe this picture was $59.99, and I ended up getting it for $29.99 because it was marked down to $34, and then I had an additional percentage off. But I absolutely love all of the shimmer detailing in it. But it's not the typical canvas because it has like the 3D, the stones on there, and I love it. And it is a crown because we are kings and queens, and so I absolutely love this particular piece. And so that sits there. And then here, you guys, which was the last item that I purchased in the space. Believe it or not, it took me forever to find some curtains that I like. Now, the curtain rods, you've seen me purchase those last year, but I was still on the hunt for the perfect window covering. And I knew I wanted something neutral, something with like a glamorous fabric. I was looking for a velvet, a crushed velvet, or satin or something of that nature. And so I found these. They are a taffeta, actually. And it's in the champagne color, and I just adorn them. I picked those up from Burlington. It was a set of 4, and I absolutely love them. And it has like, I wasn't a fan of the little grommet holes, but I actually liked the end result. I just was so frustrated with trying to find some. I just went ahead and purchased them, but I'm glad that I did because they're very luxurious. And then come on down, I just tied them back with these beautiful tie backs that I picked up from Ross Home Stores. You guys saw me haul those. It's like a champagne with the bling. Felt like it fit the theme of our space perfectly. So that was that. And then we'll pan over to our nightstands. And so these mirrors, you guys, let me tell you, these mirrors are actually will be 11 years old this year. And it's no joke. I purchased these mirrors in 2008 when I was moving to a larger salon, and so they once served as salon mirrors. So these were the last 2. I sold a lot of them, and these were the last 2 that I had. So even trying to sell them in the yard, so I couldn't get rid of them. So I figured they were meant to be. And then once I found the pieces that I have in the space, I knew that that's why they didn't sell. These, and I'm sorry, I got those mirrors from the at-home store when it was called Garden Ridge, and they were $59.99 a piece, and they are fairly large. They are 36 by 28, if I'm not mistaken. They're 33. No, they're 33 by 48. So because they're really, really tall. I don't know if you can really tell it in the mirror. They're substantially tall. They're like 4 feet tall, or almost 4 feet tall, but they're very, very, very beautiful, ornate in design. I love the detailing on the mirrors, and they have that beautiful pewter. Let me get in close so you can see. It's like a beautiful pewter detailing on them, and it has like an antiqued or a washed effect around it, which I thought was so luxurious, and so I kept these. And my initial thought was to find some mirrored furniture to go in here, but once I saw these pieces, they fit the mold. I actually have the dresser to this particular piece, and that serving as a TV, a media stand for our den. But when I saw the accent chest, I knew that I had to have them. So the plan was to purchase these and then bring the dresser into our space and just swap out the dressers, but didn't work out that way. The piece that we have in here is too big to go in the den. So until we move, it's going to have to be separated. But I'm showing you guys the beautiful bling on the handles, the doorknobs. I absolutely love that. And I love the silver. You see the silver, how it complements the silver on the actual mirror. So everything just came together beautifully. These lamps, you guys, I have had them, the lamps themselves, I've had those lamps since 2004. This is no exaggeration, you guys. I always remember where I buy things because I'm selective on what I buy, and I purchased these from Hobby Lobby 2004 when we built our first home. So that's how I know when I got them. Now they came with a different lampshade, and I just updated the lampshade about a year ago. I found these at the at-home store. They were $7.99. You saw me haul this beautiful it's just like a bling little chest, and I house my tablet or my charge my phone up and that type of thing in there. Here are just some candlesticks I got from the at-home store, and that beautiful mirrored, that mercury glass. And you saw me haul these candles. They are from Ross Home Store. They are a Z Gallery Duke. I absolutely love them. It's a set of 3, but I only could find 2 candlesticks, so for now I have to just style with the 2. That is still some floor picks from the Christmas season, but to me it still reads winter. So that's why I said a semi-refresh. My refresh was just a matter of cleaning up the space and decluttering a little bit. So I'm absolutely loving the way that looks. And then we'll go over to the hubby side and let you guys see that. His it's an accent chest. It's the same. It's not called a nightstand. It's called the accent chest because it's actually bigger than the nightstand that came with the collection. But I knew that I wanted something a little bit more substantial in size, and it actually came with legs. But I opted not to put the legs because I felt like it was a good scale for the space. I felt like if I put the feet on there, it would be a little bit too tall for the bedding. So this is serving perfectly for right now. And so his side is, the dress is identical. And then over here, he has a set of 3 candles sticks that I picked up from a store. Again, these were all of the silver items were purchased back in 2004 for my first home that we owned. So I got those candles though just recently from Hobby Lobby at 50% off. These were purchased from a furniture store that was called the Colony Shop that has since gone out of business, but I have had them for so very long. They're very, very heavy. And I love the ornateness of it. I got the clock from the same store. And again, that is that Hobby Lobby lamp and the lampshade from the At Home store. Oh, here I just have coasters. The coasters are is part of a set of 6. And I got that from from Home Goods. I got those from Home Goods. Okay. Now let's pan around to the dresser. See, this is the dresser that I wanted to initially swap out and put in the den, but it's too big to go in the den, so it just has to stay here. And then once we move into our forever home, the dresser that goes with the pieces will actually come with this set. So here, let me start up here. These are some lamps that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. I watched these lamps for quite a while. I love the champagne color and the texture. It has like a satin underneath, and then this tulle that's kind of like a rosette design. I absolutely love that. They were $89 lamps, you guys, that I got for $24.99 because I waited out the sale and I got them on clearance. Now this set of the glass votives, you guys have seen the hurricane votives. They are from Kirkland's. I got those several years ago when I began to incorporate the teal into my home. And then down here, this is a picture of me and my hubby. I got these from an actual flea market, but they're from Pier 1, and they are, I think I still have the tag on the other one. I think they were like $19.99, and they are normally set like that, but I opted to do them that way because it picks up the blue in the room. And let's see, there's another picture of me and hubby. I guess I took them off, but they were $19.99 from Pier 1. I got both of them for $5, and here's a plate that I picked up from the At Home, no, not the At Home store, from Home Goods, and I got that for $12.99. And then there is the other matching lamp that I got from Hobby Lobby. So let me back up and give you guys just an overview. Oh, that door over there, that is the master bathroom, and I have refreshed that, and I will bring that video to you guys later. But this is the end of this video. I just kind of wanted to give you all just another pan out of it. And if you haven't already, you guys, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of my TMB family. My goal this year is to grow the channel. I want to grow. So please like, comment, share. Tell me what your thoughts are. Let's get the word out. TMB Design is here. I want to bring you guys a lot of wonderful content. So let's let the people know that TMB Design is available for their inspiration pleasures. We do interior design, DIYs, home decor, event setups, you name it, we do it. Anything to make beautiful designs in our homes is what TMB Designs is all about. So I would love to have you as part of our family. Until the next video, you guys have a blessed and beautiful, beautiful day.